What up, guys? So today I am up in Priest River, Idaho, and it is -7 degrees outside. And that means I can't really work in my shop because I don't have a heated shop yet. So also found out yesterday that me and my wife are having a baby girl. So we are more than excited about it. So this is our first one. So I couldn't be more excited, honestly. So to celebrate, I'm gonna cut down a tree and you guys are gonna get to watch me. So apologize for no dirt related content, but this is the best I got in this kind of weather. I'm sure it's just as cold wherever you're at. So let's get going. So we are going to go ahead and cut this tree down over here, right next to the water. It's the one with the big black X on it. That guy right there. So this is the Ponderay River. In fact, this is basically the place I grew up. Isn't it beautiful? I'm very blessed to have this place still in my family after 30 years. So that's the tree, that one with the dead top on it. We're gonna go ahead and take that one. Whoa, that's how it's done, baby. Let's go. I completely forgot how much of a workout this is. So right now I'm just splitting this thing up, but you guys probably already knew that. Look how beautiful a day it is now. Jeez. That's some hard work. Out of gas. Ran out of gas that last time, so I'm gonna get this cut up and moved. But getting closer. And job's done. I hope my daughter in 30 years watches this video and thinks to herself, man, my dad celebrates births in a weird way. It's really nice out today, by the way. And it's 3 degrees. 3 degrees, not -7 now. Take care, you guys.